Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify Apple ID email address on iPhone. So guys, if you want to verify your Apple ID email address on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now go to your profile, and then you have to go to sign in and security, and from here you have to simply select your email address. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply select your email address, and from here you can see you can remove or add your email address from here. So guys, from here you have to simply tap on remove from account, and then this email will be removed. And if you want to verify this email, then you have to simply remove it for one time, and after this add it again, and then email address will be verified via code on your email address. So guys, you have to simply remove it for one time. After this, add your email address again, and then a code will be sent to your email address, and then you can verify your email address on your Apple ID from here very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.